Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming two essentials. Your phone supports Esim and it is carrier unlocked. This matters because provisioning needs device acceptance. Once done, open the Roamless app or activation email. Make sure to sign into your account and verify ID. Tap the Add Esim or Scan QR, then choose the profile for your destination. You're starting the process now, so proceed directly to provisioning. Don't pause after scan. Complete the accept and install prompts to move forward. You'll now install the Esim profile and configure routing. This is the detailed middle step where errors commonly occur. After scanning the QR or pasting the code, tap Install and allow profile addition. Make sure to assign a clear label like Roamless data. Set that line as your default data and enable data roaming in settings. Otherwise, connections fail. Once the profile installs, toggle cellular data off and back on, then verify the new operator appears. If needed, restart the device to finalize network registration. You finish by confirming the Esim is working. Open a web page, check the Roamless app for remaining data and assigned IP, and monitor signal bars. If data won't connect, make sure to toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds, then disable it to force a fresh network register. This often clears SIM conflicts. If the profile shows unknown operator or no service, switch your primary voice line or disable it temporarily. Finally, if problems persist, contact Roamless support and provide IMEI and activation ID for quicker resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.